Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you on how to render your drawing in your SketchUp drawing. So what you have here is our sample drawing wherein you can see here, you can see here your garage, you can see here your living room, this one, and also you have here your staircase, your ground floor or first floor restroom. You have here your kitchen and your dining area. Here's your dining set, and also you have here your two cars parked at the garage, and of course your gate here. So you have also here where the location of lightings, external lightings here, and your perimeter plans. So again, we're going to render this drawing, but first you have to have your Vray. Vray and SketchUp are partners, just like Vray and SketchUp must be together. That's what I mean. So you cannot do rendering without this Vray. But put in mind that we are using version 2014 of SketchUp. You have also to use 2014 version of Vray. You cannot use Vray and SketchUp of different versions. It will be of the same because they will not be compatible if they are not of the same version. So to begin, so you have to select which angle do you want to render. So you have to select by yourself by rotating this drawing. So for example, you want this angle like that. You can also use this angle like this, but for me I'm going to use this angle like this one, and let's view this one a little bit bigger, so when you render this drawing you can see the whole drawing perfectly or clearly is what I mean. So let's begin. So you have again, this is very simple. You just have to press this rendering and wait for a few minutes, for moments, so you can see how it looks like when it is rendered. So as you can see, your drawing is quite appealing already, but when you're going to render this is more this will look more realistic, more appreciative. So you can say to yourself, wow, what a beautiful drawing that I have. Because you will feel that you are like a real designer. Of course, when you are drawing, you are doing drawing in SketchUp. Of course, you are a designer, but you will appreciate more. You are going to see your drawing shown in a rendered version. So let's begin. So let's press this render. Okay. So you can see here, Vray is preparing to render. Please wait. Processing scene. Component definitions. So this will become faster if you're using a higher version of laptop. But for me, I'm using i5, so maybe it will take a little longer than a higher version of laptops. Okay, just hold on, and we will wait until our drawing is rendered. So SketchUp is very simple to do, user-friendly. Compared to other 3D drawing presentation. So I prefer SketchUp. So also you have templates already where you can use you can copy cars and paste it in your drawing. Here I just choose the colors. You can also select colors. So it's up to you really. What do you want with the colors of your house? What design? Like this table here, I prefer brown. Also this dining set here. Here this nice table brown. So it's really up to you. But since you are, for example, you are the owner of the house, you can decide what color do you want with your house. So again, just wait for a few moments and until our drawing is rendered. There you go. Here comes a rendered version of our SketchUp drawing, and you will see how good does it look. Let's wait. Still rendering right now. It's like finishing touches. See here, slowly to look better. Ooh, nice, right? So it's really good when your drawing is already rendered. So we will check get completely one of the renderings done. See? Cool, right? Beautiful. You can see you have yellow cars. Your two cars here is more realistic right now. So it's dining set, of course your living room, and also your gate here. So everything looks good. Okay. Looks good, right? So that's how simple rendering is. So what you can do here is you can save this file here for your future reference. For example, here, save. So let's save it on our desktop. Okay. See, render. So render. Then the file extension is JPEG. So save here. Now you have already your JPEG version, so you can check it anytime on how your render drawing looks like. Okay. So again, it's very simple, right? Just press this rendering here, then you will have a rendered version of your drawing. So thank you for watching, and hope you have learned something from this video, and you can do your own rendered version in the coming days. So again, thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you again. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you.